Hello and welcome back to GoHighLevel Mastery course. In today's video, we're gonna discuss two simple but critical triggers in GoHighLevel. So let's start with contact DND. When a contact is marked DND, it means they opted out, they replied stop, or they should no longer receive messages. This trigger listens only about DND. Whether the DND is outbound or inbound, you can select this, and then the DND flag is disabled for all channels or enabled for all channels. And then if we select it, the next thing is, okay, if we select outbound, then we'll get another. If we deselect this, then we'll get another. Yeah, if we select outbound and then we select DND flag, then we'll get all of these options: DND for all channels, DND for specific channel, enabled for all channel, and enabled for specific channel. If we select specific, then we'll get another filter over here. DND channel is call, email, Facebook, GMB, SMS, or WhatsApp. It all depends upon your use case. You can use it either way. Now let's talk about the tag triggers. A specific tag is added or a specific tag is removed. That's where this trigger fires. It does not matter how the tag is added manually, through a form, through another workflow, through an integration. The moment that tag is added, the trigger fires. So we need to select that tag added or removed, and then we'll have to select the tag from here. And for this tag, whenever this tag is added, this workflow will be triggered. And if you want to do it for tag removed, you can add it as well. So this is how you can use the tag added or removed trigger. So remember, contact DND decides whether automation is allowed, and tag decides what automation should happen. In the next videos, we'll explore more triggers in GoHighLevel. See you in the next lesson.